Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip is about electrical power. The definition is the voltage times the current. So power is defined as VI. So if a toaster is rated at 800 watts and a grill is rated at 1500 watts, can I use both at the same time on a 120 volt circuit if it's protected with a 20 amp breaker? So I want to know how much current would flow if I plug both of those in. Well, power is equal to the voltage times the current. The power is, so we want to know the current, so I divide both sides by V. So the current is the power divided by the voltage. So if I have an 800 watt divided by a 120 volt, that tells me that I will have about 6.7 amps. Now let's look at the grill or a hot plate. 1500 watts over the 120 volts. 150 divided by 12 equals 12.5 amps. So if I add those two together, that's pretty close to 20 amps. In fact, it's so close that probably when I turn one of them on, there's going to be a spike and it may trip the breaker. It might not, but that's pushing it. You may have a breaker trip every once in a while in your kitchen. We had that recently when we plugged in two crock pots to the same circuit. Couldn't handle it. The reason they do that is to protect the wires from getting too hot and causing fires in walls. How much power can a 20 amp circuit tolerate? Well, let's say we have 20 amps flowing at 120 volts. That's a typical kitchen circuit. Power is equal to the current times the voltage. (2,400 watts). So on a 20 amp circuit, how many 60 amp bulbs could I have? So I'd have my 2,400 watts divided by a 60 watt bulb. 24 divided by 6 would be 4. 240 divided by 6 would be 40. So a 20 amp circuit could have 40 lights. So you could have a lot of lights in your house on a single circuit. But if you can just remember that power is current times voltage, that's the main thing there.